Hello, little reader. Welcome to Joyce's Cozy Book Nook, a cozy corner for little readers. I'm so glad you're here. Are you ready for a cozy story? The Boy Who Cried Wolf, originally a classic fable. This is a gentle retelling adapted just for you. Once there was a shepherd boy who watched the village sheep every day. It was a quiet job, and sometimes he felt a little lonely. To pass the time, he told stories to the clouds and sang songs to the wind. But one afternoon he thought, what if I make things a little more exciting? He jumped to his feet and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf after the sheep!" The villagers came running with sticks and tools ready to help. But when they arrived, there was no wolf at all. The boy laughed and said, "I was only playing." The villagers frowned. "That's not a funny game," they said. Then they went back home, shaking their heads. The next day, the boy grew bored again. He grinned and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! Help!" Once more, the villagers ran to help. And once more, they found no wolf at all. This time they said, "We won't come again since you keep telling lies." The boy promised he'd stop, but deep down, he didn't take it seriously. The following week, a shadow crept along the hill. A real wolf had come. The boy's heart pounded. He shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! Please, someone help me!" But no one came. The villagers stayed home, remembering his tricks. He chased the wolf away as best he could, but some sheep were lost. When the villagers finally came, they saw the truth at last. "I'm so sorry," the boy said. "I lied before, and now no one believes me." The villagers sighed. "We're glad you're safe," they said. "But trust takes time to rebuild." The boy couldn't change what he'd done, but he could change what he did next. He started helping the villagers, carrying water, watching their sheep, and speaking truthfully every day. It took time, but little by little, their trust began to grow again. And the next time he called for help, they trusted that his words were true. The boy learned that trust is like a tiny seed. It needs care and honesty to grow strong again, and the work is always worth it. Sometimes when we've said something that wasn't true, people might stop believing us for a while. But we can show we've changed by being honest, keeping our promises, and giving others time to trust us again, one truthful moment at a time. Thanks for reading with me today, and come back soon for another cozy story right here at Joyce's Cozy Book Nook, a cozy corner for little readers. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a story. Until next time, keep reading, keep imagining, and stay cozy.